We all know that Wi-Fi 7 routers are expensive, but Xiaomi makes inexpensive one. $50. Link in the description. Ta-da! And there he is, in white. We have Wi-Fi 7 logo on the side. And, alright, if we zoom in, we'll have a mash button, 3 GB LAN ports and one 2.5 GB LAN port, reset and plug for power. There's nothing else. There are stickers, but for security reason, I will not show you them. There is no mounting holes. It's white. In the box, you will also find a thick meter internet cable with a tremendous quality and white charger with a Chinese end, but I'm Central Europe, so I got the converter for free. Wi-Fi 7 logo is available with a compatible smartphone, and we are 1 meter from the router. We're going to compare it to TP-Link Archer. It's a twice more expensive device, and I can see 1 meter to the router, a little bit more download speed for the TP-Link than Xiaomi. Check out the jitter. There's also a huge difference, a significant difference. Somewhere around 5 meters, 2 concrete walls, proper concrete walls. Are we going to have any? Oh, now the jitter is the same. Maybe it's just the app. Who knows? It looks identical. There's no difference at all. It's even faster in the download speed. All right. 10 plus meters, and in this position, Xiaomi is a bit quicker. It has more range than the TP-Link is losing range already. There's like 3 concrete walls, more than 10 meters. And yeah, for the range, Xiaomi is much better. Look at the jitter, look at the pings. Pings are the same, yeah, but more download speed, less upload. There's not too much buttons on the device, but in the app, it's a different story. We do have all kinds of settings: time restart, manage password, restart router, upgrade assistant, LED, LAN ports, Wi-Fi optimization, set timer, guests, VPS, and all kinds of cool stuff. So what did we learn? And we learned that it has very little buttons on the outside, but a lot on the inside, virtual buttons. It looks nice. It's solid. Great range, greater range than twice more expensive TP-Link. And it does not have mounting holes. But I guess you could glue it in somewhere with a double tape or something. I don't know. Anyway, it's cheap. Link in the description. $50 at the moment. But in time, maybe even cheaper. That's like that. Xiaomi did it again. See you next video. Bye.